Hi, my name is Gayatri and I will be your trainer for this session.
Hi, and welcome to a quick introduction to Docker. This is lesson 19, and in this session, we are going to see Docker with Redis. Redis is an in-memory key value data store that is generally used as a caching system or a message broker and so on. Let's come back to our terminal and let's create the Redis container. So docker run -d -- name Redis, that's the name of our container, and Redis : Alpine, that's the image. Okay, good. So the container has been created. Now let's execute some commands inside the container. So we are going to use the docker exec command to execute commands inside the container. If you haven't seen this command before, I'll link our previous sessions in the description box below. So docker exec -ti Redis and Redis-CLI ping. So that's the command that we are executing inside the container, and we should get the response pong. Similarly, I'm going to execute a command Redis-CLI get counter, and we should get nil as the output. Alright, so all looks good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a small Python script and then deploy that Python script in a container that supports Python. Okay, so this is a very simple Python script. We're going to include the Flask framework, which is basically a web framework in Python, and we're going to connect to the Redis host. So note that we are using the name of the container as the host, and we are going to increment the counter key, and after we increment, we are going to display that on an HTML page. So this counter key is going to work as a visit counter, and this Python script is basically going to spin up a Python web server, and it's going to listen to port 8181. Alright, so now let's take a look at the Docker file. Docker file is very simple, including the Python base image and then installing certain packages required for our application, and then copying our Python script into the Docker image and then executing the app.py and exposing port 8181. Alright, so let's go ahead and build this image. I'm going to call this image my-counter. Alright, the build is done. Now let's create the container from this custom image. So docker run -d -p 8080 on our host is going to be mapped to 8181 inside the container, and we are going to link this container to our Redis container, and this is how our container can actually talk to the Redis container. Alright, so that container has also been created. Okay, now let's browse curl localhost :8080, and you should get an output visits1 my container ID. So it's basically showing the ID of the current container, and it's showing the number of times that we have visited this website. You can browse this on a browser too, and you should get a similar output. Alright, now let's execute the command that we executed in the beginning, that is Redis-CLI get counter. So docker exec -ti Redis-CLI get counter, and we should get the number 6. Let's browse our web page, localhost :8080, and we see that visits is 7. Let's execute get counter once again, and we should see that the counter number is 7. Yeah, excellent. So with this, we come to an end of our session. Let's go ahead and clear our Docker daemon. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next session. Bye-bye. If you want to learn more about Docker or any other platform or software, you can always visit our website shri.cc, where we have different lessons for different platforms and software. So the duration for these lessons are different depending on the level of depth that you want. So if you just want to get an idea of the course, we have such sessions for you. If you want to go deeper, you know the basics, you just want to go deeper into it, we have such sessions for you too. So feel free to contact us via our website, which is www.sree.cc. So thank you very much for your time. Hope this quick video gives you an idea or helps you get started or keeps you curious enough to watch the other episodes. See you soon. Bye-bye. If you like this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up button and share this video with your friends, and also click that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new lesson.